Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Audi genuine accessory carrier unit for vehicles without roof rails, like mine, Audi A1 Sportback. This is the platform for all you have to transport on top of your roof of your car. The genuine roof carrier is the ideal basis for a number of transportation options on the vehicle roof. The roof carrier is made from anodised, aerodynamically formed aluminium profile, and it is the basics for all you transportation what you are needing. Quick and simple mounting of bicycles, racks, ski and snowboard carriers, kayak racks and luggage boxes, support feet, cover caps and trims made from rugged plastic, mechanical parts made from galvanized and coated sheet steel. The roof carrier is equipped with an anti-theft locking system. Oh yeah, and on top it's Audi City Crash tested. The net weight is approx 6 kilograms. That is not much. It has the article number of 8X4.071.126, and this matches to your Audi A1 Sportback, and it is easy to install, and the high quality of the parts is in this box. Yeah, I am going to like it because you can carry so much more outside of your vehicle. At the beginning of your career with your Audi S1 or A1, you have only the interior, and there's not so much space. So let's go on and have a carrier unit on the top. Then you are able to transport so much more. Oh yeah, and this is the plan. If you have to go to vacation with your Audi A1, you have to use a carrier unit as basic, and then you can build so many different things on top of it, and then you can go easily and you have more space at your interior of your car. This is the main thing because I bought it. And there you can see this contains your carrier unit. If you buy one of these, you can see nice quality. Okay, one plastic part is not at the right position, but this is fast fixed. You have 2 keys to open the locks for your roof or your carrier unit on the rooftop, and this is a safety thing because it's not so cheap. It is really expensive to buy this one, and you don't like to have a thief getting this out of your roof, isn't it? Yeah, there it is. But it's good aluminium. Nice thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and see you next time again. So soon.